What is the lowest temperature in the universe? This video will challenge your imagination. 0 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature at which water turns from liquid to solid. -3 degrees Celsius. This is the average winter temperature in the United States. -9.2 degrees Celsius. This is the winter temperature in Hokkaido, Japan. -12.3 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature on the surface of Antarctica. The highest temperature ever recorded at TED. -17 degrees Celsius. This is the freezing point of sunflower oil. -22 degrees Celsius. This is the average winter temperature in Europe. 30 degrees Celsius. This is the average winter temperature in Siberia. -38.7 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature at which toxic mercury begins to solidify. Mercury is the only heavy metal that remains in liquid form at room temperature. -40 degrees Celsius. This is the average winter temperature in the Arctic. -50 degrees Celsius. This is the average surface temperature of the Earth 650 million years ago, when the entire planet was covered in ice and snow. 53 degrees Celsius. This is the daytime temperature on the surface of the moon and also the lowest temperature ever recorded in Europe. 59 degrees Celsius. This is the average winter temperature in the Arctic. 63 degrees Celsius. This is the average surface temperature on Mars. 67.7 degrees Celsius. This is the lowest temperature ever recorded in the Northern Hemisphere. 78.5 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature at which carbon dioxide sublimates, turning into dry ice. 89.2 degrees Celsius. This is the lowest temperature ever recorded on Earth's surface, measured at a research station in Antarctica. 111.7 degrees Celsius. This is the melting point of the inert gas xenon. 114.1 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, ethanol begins to freeze. 120 degrees Celsius. This is the average temperature in the cloud layers of Jupiter, a gas giant in the solar system. 139 degrees Celsius. This is the average surface temperature of Saturn. 157.2 degrees Celsius. This is the melting point of the rare gas krypton. 179.5 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature of methane lakes on Saturn's moon Titan. 182.9 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature at which oxygen evaporates, an important component of rocket fuel. 195.8 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature at which liquid nitrogen evaporates. Now 197.2 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature in the cloud layers of Uranus. -200 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, most chemical reactions have stopped. Humans would not survive at this temperature. -209.9 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, nitrogen completely freezes into a solid state. 229 degrees Celsius. This is the average surface temperature of Pluto. 246 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature at which liquid helium evaporates. At -250 degrees Celsius, almost all chemical reactions have come to a halt. Only 2 elements have not frozen. 264 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature on the surface of the exoplanet TG-387. 277.425 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature of the cosmic microwave background radiation. 272.15 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature of the Boomerang Nebula. 273.115 degrees Celsius. This is the lowest temperature theoretically possible in the universe. Absolute zero. At this point, no molecules or elements can move. This is the lowest limit of all temperature scales in thermodynamics. And this might just be the final fate of the universe.